Be all heart to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with my sparkly heart. Today our idiom, our contribution related idiom is all heart. All heart's been around. The term heart with respect to love and symbols of the heart have appeared before the 12th century. So it's been around for a long, long time. But what makes it an idiom is when we don't think of in our chest, physical beating heart that pumps blood around our body, but that means to be kind or to be generous. The saying all heart has been around at least since 1628, and it's attributed to William Harvey, and he translated, and it was translated from, I don't remember what language he spoke, but from that in 1928 into English in some medical journal, Heart, the Physical Heart. But to be kind and generous and all heart has been used throughout literature, and we know that it means to describe, we use it to describe a person who is usually good or has good attributes about them, like they're loving, they have charity, they spread goodwill, and they're very generous, right? We say, oh, she's all heart, he's all heart, they're all heart. That organization is always doing things to make the world a better place. So the whole heart thing, and it was really fun researching this because there's so much interesting information on the internet, and you can get sidetracked very easily. At least I can. And I know there have been different colored heart emojis around for a long time, but I didn't realize that each of them had different meanings. So there's different graphics. I'm sure I've been using them incorrectly over the years. Don't use emojis very often, but if I was feeling blue, I'd use a blue heart. Don't know what that means, but apparently green heart is jealous. So if I ever sent you a green heart, I don't know if I meant it or not. Probably not, because I try to choose not to feel jealous very often. So curious today, how does this idea of being kind and generous and giving and loving and sharing and contributing to the world and making the world a better place, how does this play into how you are personally growing and supersizing your business? I know how it plays into my businesses, but what I want to know is how does it play into other people's businesses? I think there are industries and there are businesses that many of us assume or believe are all heart, but if you work in those industries or businesses, you realize they're just the opposite. I think of things like the pharmaceutical industry. People falsely believe that the pharmaceutical industry and the FDA and everything they do is altruistic and to make people's lives better. But the truth is, everything they do is about making money for their organizations. And does medicine and does the pharmaceutical industry save lives? Absolutely. But it also takes more lives than any other thing, than any disease, than anything else on the planet. You know, we could get into the whole topic of pharmaceutical industry actually creating the opiate crisis. So there's lots of craziness in the world. There's lots of different ways to look at things. And so my question is, how do you choose to look at it? I believe that we need to be all heart and all in when it comes to serving our chosen customers, the people that we've decided we want to serve, whose lives we want to make an impact on through our business as well as through our personal lives, but through our business especially. How do we create that? How do we show that to the people that we serve? I know I do it in different ways. I have something that I call my Dream 100, and it's a lot more than a Dream 100, but it's people that I want to have relationships with, that I want to be involved with, that I want to try to find ways to make their life better, and I want to help them to create and expand on the mission that they have in the world, because all of them want to make the world a better place in their own way, right? Because each of us are different. We each have different things to contribute, and what contribution means to each of us is different. But I like to focus on my Dream 100 and share information, share little gifts and trinkets, just continue to build and grow the relationship. So with respect to other business owners, with respect to, which are also my clients and customers for the most part, but as far as the people that we serve with our businesses, what makes them feel awesome, cared about, loved, like we're being generous, etc. Share that in the comments below, because I am super curious today. A few more days of contribution-related idioms. As you can tell, there are not a lot of contribution giving, charity type idioms in the world, and that tells me that a lot more of us need to make the world a better place so that it becomes more mainstream and less I'm just in it for myself, because it seems to be the I guess the feeling of the day in a lot of areas. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. Have a fantastic day.